Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lian. Today is a very special video because I am going to introduce you to the new member of our family, Barty! Hello! Say hi!
He goes meow 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 meow.
New member of the family! So guys, if you are watching my previous video, you know that we already have a resident cat and it is Isma. But lately, we realized that an older cat is having difficulty accepting another kitten because Isma used to be the only princess in the house. So right now they are currently in isolation with each other, but me and my husband are doing the sniffing test so they will know each other's scent. So in that way they will be familiar with each other. So guys, I'm going to show you the room of Barty. He is currently in a one bedroom because our older cat Isma is everywhere in the house. So this is where Barty sleeps. He loves his bed. And then over here are his food, his water, and his milk. And then on this side is his play area. It has a scratch post. He loves this one. Look at him. He's really hyper. And then in this area is his litter box. So I know it's kind of messy and I need to vacuum that. So I am going to show you cute videos of Barty. Enjoy watching! Go take a poop.
Ow! Hey. No.
I also have a PhD.
Hey. No. Bite the pinky. Bite the pinky. Hey. Don't you bite the pinky. No, bite pinky. Yes, lick the pinky. That's okay. He's vicious. He's hyper right now. Whoa. Are you doing it right now?
Yeah.
Party.
Barty, why are you hyper?
Oh.